Hey guys, welcome to this iOS setting guide, and here I'll detail how to turn on or turn off flashlight with voice on iPhone iOS 18. So you can just say turn on flashlight, turn off flashlight, and this is going to turn on your iPhone flashlight and it's going to turn off your iPhone flashlight. So if at the end of this you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now the first thing you want to do when you want to turn on or off flashlight with voice on iPhone iOS 18 is go to your iPhone settings. And on the settings page, you just need to scroll down the page and then select accessibility. Once you've selected accessibility, you want to scroll down this page. Just keep scrolling until you get to vocal shortcuts and click on it. Then tap set up vocal shortcut. Then once you see this page, go ahead and click on continue. Then on this page, scroll down until you get to system. Then under system, keep scrolling until you get to touch and then click on touch. Once you select touch, you see customize phrase, add a speakable phrase that is unique to this action to run it. Then here I'm going to say on touch. So just go ahead and tap your customizable frame. Here I'm going to use on touch. And then click on go. On touch. On touch. On touch. Then once you see action is ready, you can then go ahead and click on continue or add another. So to be able to on and off touch, you need to add another command that's going to off the touch. So click on add another, then select touch again. Then here I'm going to say off touch. Then click on go. Off touch. Off touch. Off touch. Then once you see action is ready, go ahead and click on continue. Then you should see under vocal shortcut, you have two actions here. The first one is to on the touch and the second one is to off touch. Then when next want to use your voice to turn on touch on your iPhone or turn it off, all you just need to do is on touch. On touch. Off touch. You see that? On touch. Off touch. So that is basically how to turn on and turn off touch on iPhone with voice on iOS 18. So if you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.